Hi, and welcome to this video about ChatGPT, the cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we will be discussing what ChatGPT is, how it works, and its potential impact on our daily lives. ChatGPT is a highly advanced language model that uses machine learning algorithms to generate human-like text based on input prompts. It was trained on a massive amount of text data, making it capable of responding to a wide range of questions and generating text in a variety of styles. But the question is, how does it work? So, ChatGPT uses a deep neural network architecture called a transformer to analyze and understand input text. Based on this understanding, it generates a response that is both relevant and coherent. So what makes ChatGPT unique and different from other language models? One key aspect is its sheer size. With billions of parameters, ChatGPT has an unprecedented capacity for language understanding and generation. Now, let's talk about the potential impact of ChatGPT on our lives. This technology has the power to revolutionize the way we interact with computers, making it possible to have natural human-like conversations with machines. For example, ChatGPT can be used to power customer service chatbots, providing instant and accurate responses to customer inquiries. It can also be used to generate creative content such as articles, stories, and even poetries. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to greatly enhance our lives. It's just the beginning of what's possible with AI, and we can't wait to see how it will continue to evolve and impact our world. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI related content.